Hello, welcome to Gorilla's channel. I'm Yin. Introduce our first door ceiling light, a wonderful in both round and square shape to fit any design style. And it has IP65 waterproof texture.
This product line offers a full range of sizes, including 5-inch, 7-inch, 8-inch, and 12-inch options, suitable for both indoor and outdoor spaces. With an IP65 waterproof rating, our ceiling light is ideal for humid environments like bathrooms, pools, and outdoor spaces. The soft light panel ensures a comfortable lighting experience. Combined with high brightness and efficiency, they provide ample lighting for any space and can be paired with a dolly dimming power supply for enhanced control. Our ultra-thin, minimalist design allows for fast and easy installation. When used in engineering projects, they significantly reduce installation time and costs. Choose our ceiling lights for versatile applications, perfect for outdoor waterproof lighting, commercial corridors, basements, and more. Thank you for taking the time to follow us. Stay tuned to us. We will continuously update new products and industry information.